Today we're out here building our bonfire. The senior class, we've been waiting for this all year. It's one of the most exciting times of the year. I know personally I'm an Estonian. I've been living in Easton for 17 years of my life, and I have been dreaming of this day. Tonight we're going to be protecting our bonfire. We sleep out. A little history behind this is that decades ago, Pyburg had come over here and they lit our bonfire prior to the day of our actual lighting. So we sleep out in order to assure that that does not happen again. I know all of our seniors are working really hard. We're attempting to make the biggest bonfire yet, which I know every generation, every year that comes through here has that goal of doing. And I think we're making pretty good progress right now. Teamwork makes the dream work! Of course, the night of the bonfire is one of the most rewarding moments. We've spent all day building it, and then we finally get to see it lit with our entire community here. It's not just our high school, it's prior students, everyone, they come together to meet here, and that's a really special moment because you have our whole community come together for the same purpose, and that's to beat Pyburg. And it's just a great celebration the day before Turkey Day.
Good, Alan? I'm great.